This drumming workshop with Éamonn Cagney is part of Cruinniú na nÓg 2020, kicking off its online summer arts program. Hello everyone, my name's Éamonn Cagney. I'm a drummer and I'm going to do a drumming workshop with you today. We're going to learn a 3-part drumming beat, which means we're going to learn 3 different rhythms with our hands to play, and we're going to put them together eventually. So what are you going to play on? Well, as probably most of you don't have drums, you can use lots of different things. You can use like your laps, so you can't see mine, but playing on your lap can be that simple. Or you can get a cushion, play on the cushion. You can get a pillow, play on the pillow. You can get a teddy, play on the teddy. You can get a bucket, play on the bucket. That's how lots of drummers started, including me, and other things like that. You can even use a table or a chair. So if you want to do that now and pause this video now. So if you've got something to play on with your hands now, to drum on, and don't play too hard until you know what you're doing, we're going to start and we're going to learn the first of our 3-beat rhythm. And this first drumming part is called edge, edge, heart, beat. So whatever you have, you make an edge, which will be near you, and then a middle, which will be out from you a little bit. So it'll be like edge and middle. And you're going to go edge, edge, and then you're going to go middle, middle. But when you say middle, middle, eventually you're going to say heartbeat instead, because it's like your heartbeat. So let's start now. Edge, edge, middle, middle. Or right, left, right, left. Or left, right, left, right. Edge, edge, middle, middle. Edge, edge, heart, beat. Edge, edge, heart, beat. Now we're speeding up. Edge, edge, heart, beat. Edge, edge, heart, beat. And you can say it while you play it. Edge, edge, heart, beat. Get ready. Finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. Okay. Did you like that? Did you get it? If you did, remember it. You can always remember it by just saying edge, edge, heart, beat. So now we're going to go straight on to beat or rhythm number 2. This one is called Boom Shakalaka. I think you probably already know it. So boom is played in the middle. If you had a drum, you'd be in the middle, but even in a cushion or a pillow or anything, you can just go into the middle of it. And then on the edge, shakalaka. So it's like middle for the first bit with the boom, and then shakalaka on the edge. So boom, shakalaka. Are you ready? Let's start. Say it. Boom, shakalaka. Let's speed up. Boom. Boom, shakalaka. And don't forget, you can say it and play it. Nearly there. One, two, three, four, stop. Did you get that? I'm sure you did, and I hope you liked it. So now we're going to do something the next level. We're going to put edge, edge, heartbeat together with boom, shakalaka. Now when we say together, it means you're going to watch and you'll see. On one side of the screen is going to be the video of me playing Boom Shakalaka. And then on the other side, at the same time, is going to be the video of me playing Edge, Edge, Heartbeat. So you can choose, if you're on your own, you can choose one of the beats and start with that. So if you decide now which you're going to do, Edge, Edge, Heartbeat or Boom Shakalaka. And then when you decide, you can start with that one, have a look for it. You'll see it on the video anyway, and join in. And if you like that, you can also go over to the other one and see if you can change to the other one. Or you can wait and rewind it and then do the other one. If you're with other people, each person decides which one to do. So if there's two of you, one does Boom Shakalaka and the other does Edge, Edge, Heartbeat. And like that, you can also swap as well. So, are you ready? Let's start. Edge, edge, heartbeat. Edge, edge, heartbeat. Boom, shakalaka. Boom, shakalaka. Boom, shakalaka. Now they're both happening. Edge, edge, heartbeat. Boom, shakalaka. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. So, I hope you liked that. And remember those two beats. If you weren't sure about it there, you can always rewind and do it again. And it can be even more fun. So now we're going to do beat number 3. It's called Chaka Boom. Chaka Boom. So, edge, edge for the chaka part, and then boom in the middle. So, Chaka Boom. Chaka Boom. Chaka Boom. And you can say it as well. Chaka Boom. So, we're going to learn it now. Are you ready? Let's start. Chaka Boom. Chaka Boom. Right, left, right. Or left, right, left. Edge, edge, middle. Chaka Boom. Get ready. Speed up. Chaka Boom. Chaka Boom. Let's go, speed up. One, two, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. Did you get it? I'm sure you did. So now we're going to put the 3 rhythms together. We're going to put edge, edge, heartbeat, and boom, shakalaka, and chaka boom, chaka boom. We're going to put the 3 of them together. So if you're on your own, pick one of them now. If you're 2 or 3 or even more, again, each person pick a different one. If there's more than 3, like 4 people, 2 people can do the same one and then 2 do different ones. If there's 5 and so on, you decide, make sure everyone's doing an equal amount of different rhythms. So if you're ready, I'm ready. So let's start. Edge, edge, heartbeat. Boom, shakalaka. Boom, shakalaka. Get ready on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Chaka boom. Chaka boom. Just concentrate on your beat. Edge, edge, boom, boom. Boom, shakalaka. Chaka boom, chaka boom, chaka boom. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. How did you get on? I hope you're enjoying it. So we're going to do one last round with the 3 beats, okay? This time it's going to be a little bit faster. Just a little bit faster. So see if you can come in. It'll be a little bit faster and we'll play it for a little while together. One more time. Are you ready? Let's start. Edge, edge, heartbeat. Next one. Boom, shakalaka. Chaka boom. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Chaka boom. Chaka boom. Very nice. Concentrate on your beat. Edge, edge, heartbeat. Boom, shakalaka. Chaka boom, chaka boom. Coming near the end. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. So well done, everyone. Hope you enjoyed that. That was just a little drumming workshop to teach you 3 beats and put them together. You can go back over it again and have some more fun. You can invite your friends who mightn't have done it to do it with you and play on whatever you want as a drum if you don't have one yourself. Also, check out the videos that have been made by all the other artists for Cagney na Nog. There's lots of cool stuff, lots of fun stuff. So have a look around. So for now, bye bye. Gurumila Maigav. See you again.